Welcome back in, ladies and gentlemen. Paul Chamberlain, the Air Force guy here at Encore RV, here to show you this is the 16 FB ROG by Encore. So for more information on this camper or any others, I'll have the specs for this, by the way, down below, as well as my contact information. Feel free to reach out to me. But let's get on to the fun stuff. By the way, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, comment, and share out this video. This is a pretty cool layout and the way they have this thing set up. So this is a ROG, and this one, they got a lot of things on this thing. I mean, you get a portable solar panel. You can hook up cable. Your electric is right here. This is where you're going to be emptying your toilet, because it's just a cassette type toilet here. It does come with a furnace, AC, on-demand water heater. You can carry 54 gallons of fresh water with you, and on top of that, check out that storage. That is some massive storage, and look at the D-rings they have in there, so you can tie things down. Here you have 110 outlets on this side. Now back in the back here, it's pretty cool what they do here. What you have is, this here is so you can have it open to inside, and you can see you have your screen. That's the one thing. Now the other thing you have, and you see this little latch right here, this is for this bottom door, and let me open up the bottom door, show you what's in there. Now they're still finishing this thing off, won't come out all the way, but just want to show you what you got. Is you're going to have a counter extension up here. You have a sink, two-burner cooktop, all this nice storage. By the way, all your light switches are going to be here, for back here. Then you also have storage underneath there, as well as storage there. Then of course you have your nice little refrigerator with the little freezer right there as well. So that's what's back here. Like that little light right there. You got a light up top, and all you gotta do is shut them off here. So there's the 3 different lights. I don't know what this one's doing. It's doing something. Oh, that's a 12-volt fridge. We don't need to turn that one on. So you have 2 different lights for back here. So that's your kitchen outside. Now on the door side, this is where you hook up your propane. Now it has 2 different connectors, because you can hook up for this connector for here, but if you had another cooktop, you could hook up that as well. 110 connection. It has something you put on there, so you can have a separate Blackstone griddle if you wanted back here. Remember we showed you the pass-through storage. It does have the awning. Now you see this light here. You see how bright the lights are? And you know, what do they attract? They attract bugs, right? So we take here, and guess what we just did? We just made them yellow. They really thought of everything on this, folks. You have the yellow lights underneath the camper for the underglow lights. You have the yellow lights there. That way you're not attracting the bugs, right? So 16 FB. Now this does have the ladder for you to get on the roof. Now these rails on the roof can hold 100 pounds each. Now, you know, what does that mean in reality? That means that if in the event that you want to put a tent up here and have adults up here, you can have 2 average size adults. Max Air fans, you have 2 of them, one there, one up in the front, and they have the covers so you can actually use those in the rain, which is awesome. Skylight in the bathroom, right? Now listen, I'm an old man. I can get up that ladder one-handed. I'm sure that you can get up that ladder with 2 hands, I'm sure. So let's get inside, check out this thing. It is pretty cool how they have this thing set up. Now, what you have is, this is gonna be a dinette booth, and the table does go up, okay? But then you can put these cushions to the middle, make that one bed. Then this one here, it's not all the way set up, but that other one flips over. That's a queen size bed. Now, I know you're saying, Paul, well, but gosh, it has room on either side. Well, they have these little things you could put in there, so that way there, in the event that you wanted to go ahead and have a cup holder, they slide right in either side. If you don't want the queen mattress, you can get 2 twins and put something in the middle to divide the 2 twins if you wanted to. Storage up above the back, little lights back there. They could be blue lights, they could be reading lights, 110, USB, the TV that swivels, storage up above on either sides. You see there's your air conditioner. Storage in here, as you can see. Nice good storage there, right? Storage up top there. Suburban on-demand water heater. Your second power vent fan. Nice little coffee bar here. You get your 12 volt. You get your 110 outlet right there. And then full extension drawer glides. Look at how far they pull out. That's pretty awesome, isn't it? And then your 𝐓𝐴VRCHILL refrigerator freezer. So that's what you're looking at there. Microwave by Greystone. All your light switch, Bluetooth, JBL stereo, and you have 4 speakers that you can see across the ceiling there. Now in the bathroom here, I know it's dark, right? But you see that little light right there? Push that button, the light comes on, but that is dimmable. You have a little fan, vent fan, so you could vent this out. That's a max fan. Stereo, toilet, more storage, a little headroom. By the way, you have another light right there. Look at how bright it is inside there. That's pretty awesome, I would think. Now, your converter. This thing is nice. So it's auto detect. So whether you have lithium, deep cycle batteries, AGM, it doesn't matter. It'll read what you got and you're good to go. So folks, this is the 16 FV ROG by Encore. I do appreciate you watching. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking. Please do consider sharing out the video. Any help I can get is greatly appreciated. So thanks for watching. I'll be back at you again soon. Take care.